Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Students, today we are starting revision of chapter 3, that is addition. Students, we take two numbers like 20 and the next number is 21. So students, here we see how we get the addition, how we get the sum of these two numbers. If we add these two numbers, then we get 41, and this 41 is called sum of these two numbers, and these two numbers are called addends. Understood students? Numbers which we are adding, these numbers are called addends, and the result of these two numbers are called sum. Understood students? So now we start with the topic. On page number 27, the topic is addition of two 4-digit numbers without carry over. On page number 27. Addition of two 4-digit numbers and without carryover. So students, in this topic we have to take two numbers and two numbers which have 4 digits. To understand this topic, we are taking question number 2 of exercise 3.1 and A part we are taking of question number 2, and the A part is add the following 6214. The first number is 6214 and the next number is 2073. So look here students, first of all we have to write the first number, that is 6214, then we'll write the next number, that is 2073. Now we have to find the sum of these two numbers. So whenever you are going to start the addition, always you will start from this side. It means you will start from ones. 4 plus 3 will be 7. Then you will come tens. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 0, 2, and 6 plus 2, 8. So in this way you will find the sum of two numbers without carry over, and the answer is 8287. Understood students? And these two numbers are addends, and this is the sum of these two numbers. Now we are moving to the next topic, that is addition of two 4-digit numbers with carry over. Open page number 28 students, page number 28 in your book, and the topic is addition of two 4-digit numbers with carry over. So here students, now we'll see the questions. Again we are taking two numbers which have 4 digits. So students, we are taking a question of exercise 3.2, and the question is, we are taking question number 2, A part. This is exercise 3.2 on page number 30. So look here students, question number 2A part, the first number is 3469 and the next number is 1829. So we have two numbers in this question and we are going to add these two numbers. So first of all, as I have told you, we'll write the first number, that is 3469. and then the next number is 1829. As I have told you, we'll start from this side. One side, 9 plus 9, 18, will carry over 1 at tens place. Understood? Then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 4, 12, again carry over 1, and 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, and the sum is 5298. Again these two numbers are addends, and this is the sum of these two numbers. In this way you can find the sum of two numbers with carry over. Understood, students? Now we are moving to the next topic, and the next topic is addition of three numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. It means now we are taking three numbers which have 4 digits. So students, open page number 31, exercise 3.2. We are taking question number 4 and A part. So the first number is 9237. The next number is 1085, and the next number is 4827. In question number 4, we have to find the sum of these numbers. Understood, students? This is given on page number 31. Now the first number is 9237, next is 1085, and then the next is 4827. Now 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, and will carry over 1, 9 will come here. Understood? Now 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 3, 13, plus 1, 14, 4 carry over 1, 8 plus 2, 10, plus 1, 11, carry over 1, then 9 plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11, and plus 4, 15. So students, here the answer is 15,149, and this is the sum of these three numbers. It means here we can see 3 addends, and this is the sum of these 3 numbers. Understood, students? Now we move the next topic. So students, now we'll discuss addition facts on page number 29. On page number 29, addition facts. Let's see the first one. We can add two numbers in any order. We are doing addition facts. The first we are discussing now, the first is if we add two numbers in any order. Let's take two numbers. First is 2 and the next number I am taking 4. Understood? So 2 plus 4, and suppose I am doing 4 plus 2. It means I have changed the sequence. I have changed the order of them. 2 मैंने यहाँ पे पहले ले लिया और यहाँ पे मैंने 4 पहले ले लिया. If I add these two numbers in any order, the sum will remain the same. 4 plus 2 will be 6 and here 4 plus 2 will be 6. So we are doing 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, the sum will remain the same. Understood? This is the first addition fact. Now we move to the next one. And the next is, if we add 0 to any number, suppose we are adding 15 and 0. So we get the number itself. 0 को आप किसी भी number में add करो, you will get the same number. Understood, students? Suppose I am doing 46 plus 0. Again I get the answer 46. Understood? So this is the second addition fact. Now we coming to the third one. If we take a number, the number is I am taking 300. So इस नंबर को मैं अलग अलग तरीके से क्या कर सकती हूँ, ऐड कर सकती हूँ. What did I say? Suppose I am doing 100 plus 200. 100 plus 200 will be 300, and then suppose I am doing 150 plus 150. Again 150 plus 150 will be 300. It means we can write this 300 in this addition form in different ways. मैं इसको 100 plus 200 भी लिख सकती हूँ और 150 plus 150 भी लिख सकती हूँ. So this is the third addition fact. Understood, students? Now we move to the next topic, students. And the next topic is addition using expanded form, that is on page number 31. Students, open page number 31 in your book, and the topic is addition using expanded form. Students, you know about expanded form. You have done this in chapter 1 also. So first of all, in this type of questions, we take a question. We are taking question number 2 of exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, we are taking question number 2. And we'll understand this topic by this question. Question number 2, A part. Question is 6325 and the next number is 3784. What we are doing in this question, student? The question is write in expanded form and add. So first we'll write these numbers in expanded form, then we'll find the sum of these numbers. First we are writing this number in expanded form. So to write the number in expanded form, we have to write their place values. We have to write the place value of each digit. So first, the place value of 6 is 6000. Then the place value of 3 is 300. The place value of 2 is 20. And the place value of 5 is 5. Understood? Now we move to the next number, and the place value of 3 is 3000. The place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 8 is 8 tens, it means 80. And the place value of 4 is 4. So I have written these two numbers in expanded form. Now we'll find the sum of these numbers. Understood? So we are starting from this side and we are making these blocks. Yes, 5 plus 4 will be 9. 0 plus 0, 0 and 8 plus 2, 10. Students, अब जो 1 है हम उसको इस पर कैरी नहीं करेंगे. That's why I have made the blocks here. 8 plus 2 will be 10. Understood? 0 plus 0, 0. Again 0. 7 plus 3, 10. Understood? 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 and 6 plus 3, 9. Understood? So we have done the addition here. Now we'll see the addition of these numbers. 9000 plus 1000 plus 100 plus 9. Look here. First is 9000. Next is 1000. I have written 1000. Then the next number is 100. And we'll start writing from this side. 0, 0, 1. And the next is 9. 9 plus 0, 0 plus 0 will be 9 as it is. Then 0, then 1 and 9 plus 1 will be 10. So the addition of these three numbers, 10,109. Understood, students? Now वी हैव टू चेक द आंसर. हमने जो किया है ये राइट है या नहीं है. वी सी हियर व्हाट वी कैन सी. 6325, it was the first number. Then the next is 3784. Understood? Now 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry over 1. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 1, 11. Carry over again 1. 6 plus 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. And what we are seeing? We get the same answer, 10,109 and 10,109. So students, in this way first you can convert these numbers to expanded form and then you can find the sum of these numbers. Understood students? Let's move to the next topic students. Now we'll solve the word problems. The next topic is word problems. So students, open page number 34 in your book. Page 34 in your book, exercise 3.4. We are doing question number 1. Question number 1 is, which number is 6582 more than 9276? Which number is more than? बच्चे, more than is coming, it means what we have to do? We have to find the addition. क्या find करना है हमें? Addition find करना है. So, what we have to do in this question? We have to add the first number. The first number is 6582 to the next number, and the next number is 9276. We have to find the sum of these two numbers. So 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry over 1. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. And 9 plus 6, 15. So this is the answer, 15,858. Understood students? So in this way you can do question number 1. Now I am explaining the next question and I am going to explain you question number 1. A part we have done students. Now I am explaining you C part of this question, and the C part is, in a factory the workers packed 3725 packets of chocolates in the morning. मॉर्निंग में उन्होंने इतने पैकेट्स पैक किए. देन 1968 पैकेट्स इन द आफ्टरनून एंड 2560 पैकेट्स इन द इवनिंग. मॉर्निंग में जो उन्होंने पैकेट्स पैक किए, नंबर ऑफ पैकेट्स गिवन. देन आफ्टरनून में जो किया वो नंबर्स हैं हमारे पास, और जो उन्होंने इवनिंग में किया वो नंबर्स हैं हमारे पास. हाउ मैनी पैकेट्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स डिड द वर्कर्स पैक इन अ डे? व्हाट इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग total number of packets. So whenever we are finding the total, it means we have to find the sum of these three numbers. Understood? C part of this question. Packets packed in the morning. Three 725. Then packets packed in the evening. In the evening, 1968. 1968. Understood students? Then in the afternoon students, Now we'll write for the evening. Packets packed in the evening, and that is 2560. So number of packets in the morning, number of packets in the afternoon, and number of packets in the evening. Now we are finding the sum of these three numbers. So students, look here, 8 plus 5, 13, carry over 1, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2, 14, plus 1, 15, 5, carry over 1, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 7, 17, and 17 plus 5, 22, carry over 2, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 2, 8. So the total number of packets are here 8253. Understood students? Total जब भी आपको पूछा है आप क्या करोगे? Sum. Hence the worker packed 8253 packets in a day. एक पूरे दिन में उसने कितने पैकेट्स पैक किए? 8253 पैकेट्स. Understood students? So students, in this way you can solve the word problems also. So students, here today we have seen addition, facts of addition and word problems. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.